Hi, Katie. I'm looking at your work. First of all, I don't want to see these journals posted anymore, but this is back in milestone two. So, of course, just paste this in. I don't need to see the journal. But as far as pencil layer, if you just traced it directly off of that, then of course what you would do is erase the lines after you've drawn it, and that way you can truly see the likeness in the drawing. So the likeness is a big concern with caricatures. That's why I've tried to tell students repeatedly to trace key features and exaggerate from there. And then also be very careful with your tracing. I pointed it out in class that her mouth and her nose weren't anything like that. And if I hadn't followed this assignment, I wouldn't know who this is. So that's the main issue. Otherwise, I've given you the opportunity to update your work because you can't just turn in the last task for the milestone. I've actually given you that opportunity twice when I could have just given you a poor grade for it. So please take that into consideration with your communication with me. And we only have like a couple weeks left. So make sure you update from tasks from now on for the milestones, okay? If you have any questions, let me know.